in the car wash again. Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. Today we are going to Sanford, Camelback Brewing Company. I don't know, beer and cars. Probably not a good idea, but I'm not gonna drink, but I am gonna drive, and I am getting the car cleaned. Hey, do y'all do this when you get inside one of these car washes? I do love these raised bullets. I wish they were a little bit deeper. They sound pretty good, but I wish they were just a little bit deeper. So I'm still tempted on maybe going to like a Flowmaster or a MagnaFlow. But anyway, tell me what y'all think. So anyway, Vanessa's sending me a message here now. I told her to meet me over here at Sheets, where she was gonna meet me at my house. We're gonna meet William. He's taking the vet, the ZR1. His wife's going with him. So yeah, we should have a pretty good turnout. I think there's gonna be 4 or 5 of our 6 challengers, I think, and a few other people from our group. So yeah, stick around. Let's see what we find. He tried to run Doug?
Well, he was lining up with Doug, and you know Doug don't fucking play, so...
Oh, I didn't know if he wanted to run me or not. I didn't think so. I just gave a little to let him hear it, and then I backed off.
Nah, I think he would have run anybody. He just was looking for fun.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Well, I probably would have beat him, but it would have been close.
Oh, okay, big nuts.
I did. Yeah, we started catching up though, it looked like. Hey, 68 I think is our exit.
Okay.
Alright. So we're here. So you get a Shelby. That must have GT350, I think. Well, there's that Camaro. I think we saw that Camaro over at Raleigh. It's a 70 Camaro. I'm gonna take a closer look at that. So here we are. We picked up a friend on the highway. Oh, Williams' car's right down there. There's Williams' car right down there. The gray one.
Nice.
So this is like the Camaro I used to have. I had a 70 Camaro. And it did have a 350, and I pulled the 350 out. I put a 400 in it. Look, he's got the AC and everything in it. See how the 70 has the short, low back seats. So it looks totally different when you look in it. See, it doesn't break it up like the high back. Stick up, mine was auto. This is a Rally Sport. Looks nice. So it looks like the turnout's getting pretty big here now. Good thing we got here early.
Ooh, 96 an hour.
Fast bike right there, man. So here's Williams' Corvette. I don't know if you've seen this one before. Wife drives this most of the time.
Oh, you can have that, yep.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words.
Hey. Oh, that's the interior I had on mine. Beautiful Trans Am. '77 or '78, I think.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
That's the OG Hellcat right there, man.
Yeah, man. Pretty car.
Back there. 144. Going once. Oh, here we go. Thank you. Got your pick.
We got pickings this time.
It's like my brother had a truck just like that.
Next one is a 153.
He had a Corvette engine in it, though.
Did he?
Gosh, it looked just like that. I wonder if that's it.
That's 58.
That's what he had. Everybody's revving up. Oh, this one's kind of like mine, but it's not a wide body. Here's William Star. Isn't that beautiful? Demon right there.
Oh, I know it.
Take care, man.
Now, bud?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
All right, take care. Listen to Vanessa's car. That's what you hear. Alright guys, I know I didn't film a whole lot here, but it was a pretty good meet. Not too many cars, but we had a pretty good time. Looks like I came out the wrong way. Everybody got in front of me. So, catch y'all next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.